Hi, so this got the update for Android 7.1.1 for the Moto G4 Play. I haven't even touched anything yet. This is actually my first video. I just wanted to try something out for those who haven't gotten the update yet. Just to give you what you're going to expect. So this is going to be a really quick look. I'm not probably even going to delve in that deep. Just a quick look. Anyways, just from the start, I can notice that the call icon, contacts icon, settings icon, are different. They are new. Everything else seems the same though. I even thought we'd probably get the different nav bars. Something like the full white ones, but I guess not. I was actually thinking there's going to be something a bit more in the Nexus line. Maybe more Google Now launcher, maybe Nexus like at least launcher, but I guess not. Okay, so the notification bar too is different. Yep, so new notifications as well. Let's see what is there. Has anything been added? Not really. Oh, okay, Google Duo. Wow, that's interesting. I didn't have that before, so yeah, that's new. See, nope, nothing different. No, what the Apple people call 3D touch, I guess. Let's go into settings. Let's check it out. Okay, so yeah, settings is definitely new, totally revamped. Yeah, as you can see, Android 7.1.1. Yeah, so that's not bad. Let's see if the file manager is different. So it's still the same as well. Wait a second, but I realized that it's actually giving me about 600 megabytes because I had 2.5 gig just before the update a few minutes ago, about 30 or so minutes ago. So it's actually giving me about 600 megabytes. That's actually cool, I guess. I'll take it. But let's see, calculator still the same. I would go into like contacts and call and whatnot, but this is like an experience. Like I'm experiencing this with you, because I haven't touched it since it was on. I just said, okay, let me record. Let's just put it on there. That's what's new. I don't want to compromise some people's privacy. That's why I'm not going to contacts, phones, and messaging. I will even delve in a bit more later. Maybe bring up a follow-up of what's new, what's properly new. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, this has been a quick look.